Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about a software TeamViewer. I hope that all of you are aware about that already, but if someone doesn't know, then it will help him her a lot. Like this software will help you to um, uh, discuss with your supervisors or collaborators online, and they can see your laptop screen. Or if you want to help any friend, then you also can help them by controlling their laptop. Just you need only user ID and password. So let's download it. TeamViewer. So here is a download option. You can select a TeamViewer software according to your uh, Windows or Mac or Linux, whatever you use. So download this. So after this, just run it. So the software has been installed. Now we need to run it. It is here on the desktop. So double click on it. From this option, control remote computer, you just put here your friend's ID and then it connect it. Then it will ask a password which is shown on his her computer like this. So you can control his her laptop or computer. So if you want your computer to be controlled by your friend or collaborator, then share this user ID and this password with them. So this password you can reshuffle, random generate by this option anytime. So I hope it will help you a lot in this lockdown situation. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe the channel.